Hello everyone. Have you ever felt unsure about what to wear in a formal office setting, even when the dress code says business casual? In this lecture, we will learn the specifics of office based business casual. Also, we will cover what type of clothing creates a professional image, why subtle details matter, and how to put together outfits that balance both formality and comfort. By the end of this lecture, you will know exactly how to dress confidently for any office setting. Buckle up then. After completing this lecture, you will be able to define what office based business casual entails, choose appropriate items that convey professionalism in a formal office setting, understand the impact of subtle styling details like grooming and accessories on an office based look. Now, let's start by discussing the key principles of office based business casual. In most formal office settings, business casual leans more towards the business side than the casual. The goal is to appear professional and polished, creating a look that aligns with company's formal culture and without the full suit and tie requirement. For men, this often means dress pants and button down shirt, possibly with a blazer. Women might choose a blouse with tailored slacks or modest dress. It's important to avoid overly casual pieces like jeans or sneakers, as they can come across as too relaxed for a traditional office setting. Image consultant Emily Post notes that office based business casual is about finding the balance between corporate formality and individual comfort. She suggests that small details like a well fitted blazer or polished shoes can make an outfit look office ready even if it does not involve a full suit. Now, let's talk about some professional wardrobe essentials for men and women. To make your office based business casual wardrobe easy to navigate, here are some essential items for both men and women. For men, dress pants or chinos, button down shirts, polos, blazers, and closed toe shoes like loafers or Oxfords. Stick to classic colors like grey, navy, or black for flexibility. For women, blouses, tailored slacks, knee length skirts, simple dresses, and cardigans or blazers. Classic closed toe shoes like flats or low heels complete the look. These versatile items create a polished appearance that aligns with office expectations. The impact of details is significant in an office setting. Here are three key details to focus on. Fit. Ill-fitting clothing can look unprofessional. Ensure that pants are the right length, shirts aren't too loose or too tight, and jackets fit comfortably on the shoulders. Grooming. Neat grooming is essential in any office. Hair should be well styled and shoes polished. These small efforts show that you respect the workplace environment. Accessories. In an office based setting, accessories should be understated. Men might choose a simple watch while women can add small earrings or a subtle necklace. Avoid large or flashy items that might distract from the professional look. In an office setting, colors and patterns should remain on the conservative side. Neutral colors like navy, black, grey, beige are excellent choices because they convey authority and professionalism. Subtle patterns such as pinstripes or small checks can add interest without becoming distracting. Avoid loud patterns or overly bright colors as they can draw too much attention in a formal environment. The goal is to let your work, not your clothing, be the focus. Psychologist Dr. Jennifer explains that neutral tones create a calming and professional presence in the workplace, helping you appear approachable and focused. Your office wardrobe should also adapt to seasonal changes. Layering with blazers or sweaters keeps you warm in cooler months without compromising professionalism. In warm months, lighter fabrics like cotton or linen blends help you stay comfortable while maintaining a polished look. Just be mindful to avoid overly casual summer items like sandals or t-shirts as they can make the outfit look too relaxed for an office setting. Before your next professional setting, review your outfit to make sure it's polished. Check for any wrinkles, scuffs on shoes, or grooming details to ensure you're office ready. To summarize, it is the combination of small details that create polished and professional look suited for the office. This lecture discussed the specifics of dressing for an office-based business casual setting. Alright, tell us, what items do you find essential for dressing in a formal office setting? Have you noticed any small details that make a big difference in how professional you feel? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Well, that was all about this lecture. Keep learning and I will see you in the next one.